Okay, so just using a paper towel to making sure everything is thoroughly dry. So Cassio, let's try to answer as many questions as possible in these videos, because probably there are thousands of customers around the U.S. looking to have these questions answered. So let's go to the first question. The first question is a bathtub like this one with the box with the doors. How long on average do you get it done? Just give me a range in terms of time. Between what time and...
I mean, to do a job right, it will take me around 2.5 to 3 hours.
2.5 to 3 hours.
To do it properly done.
So you're gonna be inside customer's house between 2 and 3 hours.
Yeah.
Just to be a wider range.
Exactly. And once the tub is refinished, the customer must wait 48 hours before they go ahead and use it. You know. So
48.
48 hours. Yeah. This ensures that the paint has dried and cured properly, so it will never do again.